welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about the seed hubs. As you know, the responsibility of the seed production in the Government of India sector is primarily for the central agencies. Central agencies means National Seed Corporation, NAFED, HIL. These are the central agencies for the Government of India. So, these central agencies are responsible for seed production and they produced quality seeds. So, quality seed produced by them is being distributed to the farming community. Now, it will be difficult to get uniformly around the country or among the farmers. The concept of the seed hub is floated. Now, the seed hub is under the supervision of the ICR, it is under supervision of the scientists of the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Krishi Vigyan Kendra is the handling seed hub concept, where the latest varieties of the seeds are being produced. So, the Government of India, Department of Agriculture Corporation and Farmer Welfare has started creation of the seed hub in collaboration with the ICR to ensure quality seed availability locally. So, seed is being produced by this seed hub under the supervision of the scientists of the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. For this, the financial assistance is given by the Government of India, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Each seed hub will be given one time grant of the 50 lakhs rupees for creation of processing unit, where the machines required for the processing of the seeds are being purchased and simultaneously a storage is also built up. The seed produced by them are stored in the go down or storage under this scheme. Second, revolving fund up to 100 lakhs rupees is given to each seed hub. This revolving fund acts as a source of the money required for producing the seed. So, this seed 100 lakhs rupees is revolving fund and it is required for the sustainability of the seed hub, because it is one time assistance to each seed hub. So, the scientist or the KBK utilizing this revolving fund for production of the seeds, they are again after selling the seeds again depositing or maintaining the revolving fund minimum to 1 crore, that is 100 lakhs. Revolving fund will be kept in a separate bank account and this fund will be recouped from the sale of seed proceeds. The total amount of the for seed hub 22,531 lakhs has been released to Nodal Institute, that is Indian Institute of Pulse Research, Kanpur initially. There are so many kinds of the seed hubs for the different commodity, means different commodity pulses, millets and oil seeds. So, an amount of 50 lakhs for creating seed processing and production infrastructure as well as storage of the seed for each seed hub at the State Agriculture University level or Krishi Vigyan Kendra or ICR Institute allowed during 1819 and onward. The 100 lakh rupees for each seed hub at the SAU KVK Institute is allowed as a revolving fund to meet out the various expenses and production, procurement, processing of the seeds from 2018-19 and onward. Revolving fund will be recouped fully after every season to maintain sustainability of fund. A total amount of 5091.1 lakhs has been released to IOR, that means Indian Institute of Oilseed Research, for implementation of the oilseed seed hub. The crop-wise number of the seed hubs and participating states for their implementation, the crops pulses, oilseeds and nutri-cereals. The pulses seed hubs starts from 16 to 17 and oilseed 18-19 and again nutri-cereals 2018-19. In India, the pulses seed hubs are 115 and the nodal agency is Indian Institute of Pulses Research, Kanpur. For the oilseeds, there are 35 seed hubs that is monitored by the Indian Institute of Oilseed Research, Hyderabad. Similarly, nutri-cereals for 25 seed hubs are being managed by Indian Institute of Millet Research, Hyderabad. State-wise seed hubs for pulses, oilseeds and nutri-cereals. The Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and West Bengal are states which are involved in the seed hubs for 150 pulses, 35 in case of oilseed and 25 in case of nutri-cereals. Crop-wise pulses, quality seed produced and financial target for the 2018-19 and 19-20s are under the pulses seed hubs, moong bean, urad bean, pigeon bean, chicken pea, lentils are taken for production, quality seed production. Besides these major pulses, field pea, moong pea, cow pea, horse gram, rajma, litharus, etc. also taken. Total seed production is 52421.61 quintal during the 16-17 and 111801.20 during 2017-18 and 133,784.31 during 18-19. So, from 16-17 to 18-19, total of quantity of the quality seeds 298,006.9 quintals are produced by the seed hub. Crop-wise oilseed physical and financial target for the year 18-19 and 19-20 are for the groundnut crop, soybean, mustard, castor, sunflower, sesame, safflower, linseed, Niger. In this way, the total numbers of 35 seed hub of oilseeds produced 13925 quintals during 18-19 and 38857 quintals during 19-20, or altogether 52782 quintals in total from 2018-19 to 19-20. Crop-wise nutri-cereals certified seed productions are for the crop jowar in Rabi season, jowar in Kharif season, bajra, ragi, foxtail, millets and little millets, vineyard millets, kodo millets, proso millets, etc. The total seed production during 18-19 is 2865 quintal, 19-20 58 6.51 quintals, and in total from 2018-19 to 19-20 is 8716 quintal. So, seed hub is made for the quality seed production, which is readily available to local level or farmers. Because it is produced under the supervision of the scientists of the Krishi Vigyan Kendra, State Agriculture University scientists, and few of them are from the reputed NGOs who are handling the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. These Krishi Vigyan Kendras are produced quality seed in supervision of the scientists of the various fields. There, under supervision, farmers are producing seeds for their training management and for awareness campaign. All the things are being conducted by these scientists from the Krishi Vigyan Kendra and state agriculture universities scientists. So, this is the another source of the seeds from the government of India, besides the central agencies like National Seed Corporation, NAFED, HIL, CRIFCO, IFCO, and NFL, and some other cooperative societies, those who are involved in the quality seed productions. So, the major quality seed produced by the seed hubs are being distributed locally in their areas, and each district almost where the seed are being produced are being distributed among the local farmers, and it is readily available with their consultation and suggestions if they are facing any kind of the problem. So, seed hub concept is the very good concept, and it is the launch 100% centrally assistance by the government of India. There is no matching share from any stakeholder. Like this entire seed is produced from the KVK on account of the assistance given by the government of India under the National Food Security Mission. The Food Security Mission is able to manage all seeds hubs in major crops, pulses, oilseeds, and coarse cereals. The seed hubs are being created based on the potential areas of the state-wise where the quantity of the seed are, where the environment areas are available and demand and supplies exist. So, in each state there are the few like Andhra Pradesh 6, Assam 6, Bihar 10, Chandigarh 7, Gujarat 8, Haryana 3, Himachal Pradesh 1, Jammu Kashmir 2, Jharkhand 5, and Karnataka 11, and again Kerala 1, Madhya Pradesh 17, Maharashtra 11, Manipur 2, Nagaland 1, Odisha 9, Punjab 1, Rajasthan 15, Tamil Nadu 8, Telangana 5, Uttar Pradesh 14, Uttarakhand 2, and West Bengal 5. These distribution are of 150 pulses seed hub. Similarly, the oil seeds are present in Andhra Pradesh 1, Assam 1, Bihar 1, Chandigarh 1, Gujarat 2, Haryana 1, Jammu Kashmir, Jharkhand 0, Karnataka 4, Madhya Pradesh 5, Maharashtra 2, Odisha 3, Rajasthan 6, Tamil Nadu 2, Telangana 3, Uttar Pradesh 1, and West Bengal These are the distribution of 35 oilseed seed hubs. Last one is the seed hubs for the nutri-cereals, which are present in the 2 in Andhra Pradesh, Assam 0, Chandigarh 1, Gujarat 2, Haryana 1, Karnataka 5, Madhya Pradesh 3, Maharashtra 3, Manipur 1, Odisha 1, Rajasthan 2, Tamil Nadu 1, Telangana 3, and altogether 25 seed nutri-cereal seed hub distributions. As we discussed about the seed production target and achievement fixed by the government of India, the crop wise and variety wise. The varieties which is suitable for the districts or states as per their climate conditions are being communicated to the seed hub, and the target also being fixed by the government of India to produce for year wise. All the crops, all the major crops of the pulses, arhar, gram, urad, green pea, and all crops are being considered and produce the seed hub in the under the pulses crop. In the oil seed, there is a 9 oil seeds are undertaken, like which are groundnut, mustard, soybean, linseed, custard, sesame, etc. Similarly, all the major and minor coarse cereals crops or nutri-cereals are considered for the seed production under nutri-cereals program. The seed production mandate lies with the central agencies. So, now this responsibility is diversified among the seed hubs, and now it is also entrusted to state seed corporations, which are also involved in production of the quality seeds for latest varieties and agroclimatic based varieties for the as per the local need. So, under the seed hub there is a 3 components. One is the seed processing unit, another one is the seed godowns, and next one is the revolving fund. Revolving fund is being used for the season wise targeted quantity of the seed production from their farms. Now, the government is planning to spread the seed hub concept and the large number of the seed hubs in case of the oil seed is also under consideration to expand. It is also considered for the oilseed production of the various oil like mustard. In case of the mustard, there are the 11 major states which are responsible for production of the mustard, where we are planning to enhance the number of seed hub for the oil seeds. The Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Bihar, Jharkhand, and western Uttar Pradesh, where the potential area of the mustard and seed hubs are being proposed for mustard seed hub. Seed hubs are managed by the Krishi Vigyan Kendra and state agriculture universities, and some of the dominated KVK managed by NGOs. Here the seed are produced by them are also in presence of the farmers. Farmers are being trained in the field what kind of how the seed are being produced, how the insect pest management, how the nutrition. So, the training in this way, in the production process farmers are also involved, and they are allowed to visit in the KVK farmhouse where the seeds are being produced. Also some of the KVKs where the land size is small, they are producing seeds in the farmer's field where the farmer's training and the package of practices are advocated by the Kishan KVKs in presence of the scientists of the different field. In the KVK, the lot of scientists are there, agronomists, plant protections, nutrient management, every expert of the are there, and they are disseminating training programs to the farmers while they are selecting their fields for the seed production of particular pulses, oil seeds or nutri cereals.